Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, counting down my top 5 plants for the month of April. And the number 1 plant absolutely has to be the California poppy, Eschscholzia californica. This fabulous, cheerful, spring flowering plant has been showing off the entire month. And not only are the flowers really beautiful, I love the soft bluish gray foliage. It's a great plant for pollinators. It's really easy to grow from seed. For gardeners in the Southeast, I recommend direct seeding in late fall, early winter, usually sometime in the month of December. And that way the plants will establish over the course of winter and flower for you in abundance. Now, in really well-draining soils, these will actually perennialize, which is the case with these 2 plants. But I have lots of other seedlings just starting to come up and flower, and I have them scattered all over the yard. So, show you a few things here. This is a flower bud that hasn't opened. Obviously, these are the flowers. And then these long pieces. See, this is actually the immature seed pod. So when you want to gather seed, this is actually the part that you'll be looking for, but it'll dry out and split open, making it really easy to harvest the seeds. As you can see, Eschscholtzias are great just to sort of mix in with lots of other plants. Here they're growing in a big group of garlic, and these will be blooming in just a few weeks. They definitely prefer to grow in full sun and well-drained soil, and because they don't get that tall, they're really good to orient towards the front of a border. As you can see here, I just direct seeded these in December, and they're really starting to get some great size, and I know that these will bloom throughout the month of May. And you can see here, Eschscholtzias mixed with all kinds of different plants, including Papaver somniferum, also potatoes, and here they are flowering at the base of a hydrangea paniculata. Well, I hope you'll be inspired to include the beautiful California poppy in your home garden. And I look forward to sharing my top 5 plant picks of May at the end of next month. So be sure to subscribe so that you stay in the loop. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.